Material nature is our mother. According to Vedic conception, the material nature, mother is worshipped. There are 7 kinds of mother. Not one mother. Adu Mata Guru Patni Brahmani Rajapatnika Dhenu Dhatri Tatha Prithi Saptaite Matar Smrita. Adu Mata, real mother, from whom I have taken birth. Adu Mata, Guru Patni, the wife of spiritual master. Adu Mata Guru Patni Brahmani. Brahmani, the wife of a Brahmin, learned scholar. Adu Mata Guru Patni. Why learned scholar? He is also Guru, because from learned scholar we learn so many things. And Guru teaches us so many things. Therefore his father and his wife is mother. Adu Mata Guru Patni Brahmani Rajapatnika. Rajapatni means a queen. And now there is no king, queen, but formerly there was king and queen. So queen is also mother, because king is father, he is giving protection to the citizens. Adu Mata Guru Patni Brahmani Rajapatnika. Dhenu, cow. Cow is our mother. Why? He is supplying milk, you are drinking milk. So, you are killing cows, oh, that's not good. Killing mother. Adu Mata Guru Patni Brahmani Rajapatnika Dhenu Dhatri Tatha Prithi. Prithi, that material nature, is also mother. Because by the material nature I got this body. So if you study Vedic literature very nicely, and if you try to understand, then your life will be sublime. So this Krishna consciousness movement is trying to give you all the authoritative information from Vedic literature. They are not manufacturing anything. They are not empiric philosophers presenting something mental concoction. No. Therefore this Bhagavad Gita you have presented, Bhagavad Gita as it is. This is our business. Just like a post peon's business is to deliver the envelope as it is. And if there is good news, it is for you. If it is bad news, it is for you. But the peon business is to deliver as it is. Similarly, our business is to present Krishna's message as it is. Then we become spiritual master. Spiritual master does not become grown just like tree. No. It is carrying the message from higher authorities, as it is stated. I told this message, Krishna says, to Vivasvan, the sun god. He told to his son, Manu. Manu told to his son, Ikhaku, in this way, this is coming down. Now it is broken. Therefore, I am saying unto you, Arjuna. So there is no difficulty in administering this Vedic message to the world, provided we simply carry the same message as it was delivered by Krishna unto you. That's not very difficult. Anyone can do it. You simply try to understand Bhagavad Gita as it is and distribute it. Krishna says this, that's all. You haven't got to comment or add anything, something. But to present you can speak something, but the central point should not be missed. Then people will be benefited. Then people will be benefited. They will receive the message as it is. And this is transcendental message. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Amar agray guru haiya taro sarvadesh, jare dakho tare kaho Krishna upadesh. Lord Chaitanya says that every one of you become the spiritual master. Every one of you. Why one, two? Every one of you. Spiritual master is very difficult job. No difficult job. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Amar Agga, just try to carry out my order. That's all. Then you become spiritual master. And if you interpolate, if you put something nonsense, rubbish, to show your so-called rascals education, then it is spoiled. Immediately spoiled. Oh. Immediately spoiled. And as if you present as it is, then it is pure. Oh. Satpachishta payo jatha avaishnava mukhad girna puto hari katha amritam. Hari katha, this message of Bhagavad Gita is Hari Katha. Hari means the Supreme Lord, His word. Therefore it is word that do not try to hear this message of Hari or the Supreme Lord from rascal non-devotee. Do not try to hear. Why? Sarpachishta payo jatha. Just like milk is very nutritious food, but if a little milk is touched by the tongue of a serpent, the whole thing is spoiled. A serpent, a very thin tongue, if it touches the milk, the whole milk is spoiled. So, if we take such milk, milk is very nice. No, because it is touched by the serpent's lip, it should not be taken. Similarly, any transcendental message, any Vedic literature, unless it is presented by a self-realized devotee, it is poison. You simply misunderstand the whole thing and you do not get the benefit, rather you become a victim of misunderstanding. Therefore, this parampara system, Evang parampara pratam evang rajase vidu, the blessed Lord said that I say to Vivasvan, Vivasvan said to his Ikhaku, Ikhaku said to his Manu, Manu said to his son in this way, Rajasi, formerly the kings were taken instructions, the head of the state, because they were responsible for the citizens' spiritual life. Not only material prosperity, but spiritual prosperity. That is the verdict of Vedic literature. The father is responsible, the teacher is responsible, the king is responsible, the husband is responsible for development of spiritual life of their dependent. The Bhagavad says that if you cannot develop the spiritual life of your dependent, then don't become a spiritual master, don't become a teacher, don't become a father, don't become a husband. These things are restricted. So, it is very nice culture, this Vedic culture. Try to understand. And Bhagavad Gita